If you're a hopeless romantic, then you need to meet the albatross. If you're afraid of commitment, then maybe skip this one. This bird chooses one partner for life, no takebacks. Albatrosses pick a mate and bond for life. Ritual dances, bows, beak, touch greetings that say I'm yours. They recognize each other even after months apart, but when one dies, the heartbreak is real. Many albatrosses never mate again. Some return to the same nest year after year, waiting. Scientists have watched them refuse new partners, sometimes for life. In nature, loyalty can mean lifelong loss. Nature doesn't always give second chances. Like, share, subscribe to WTF Nature for more unbelievable animal stories.